Good morning students. Now next chapter, simple interest and the compound interest. In the previous class we already learn about the simple interest. Suppose हमने किसी से मनी लिया, बोरो किया मनी, दैट्स कॉल्ड ए प्रिंसिपल, और उसके मनी के यूज के बदले जो हमें एक्स्ट्रा पैसा देना होता है दैट्स कॉल्ड ए इंटरेस्ट. Okay, in this chapter firstly we have to learn about the simple interest. Simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100, where P is the principal जो हम बोरो करेंगे. ठीक है, R इज़ द रेट, किस रेट से हो रहा है, इट इज़ डिपेंड ऑन पर एनम, पर ईयर, पर मंथ, पर डे, एंड T इज़ द टाइम. ओके, नाउ वी ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सो amount equals to final amount equals to principal plus simple interest. Okay, now we use this formula and direct solve the question. Now question number second, what will rupees 5,000 amount at the rate of 8% per annum for the period of 6 April 2017 to June 18 2017. Okay, now here question number second, principal given 5,000. Okay, and a rate given 8%, and the time period given 6 April 2017 to 18 June 2017. Okay, and then what will rupees 5,000 amount to. ठीक है, in that question we have to find कि amount कितना हो जाएगा. we have to find amount. for the amount equals to principal plus simple interest. तो firstly we have to find a simple interest, and a simple interest equals to PRT upon 100, where T is per annum, because rate given है 8%, पर एनम ईयरली गिवन है, सो टाइम पीरियड भी ईयरली आना चाहिए. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड 6 अप्रैल टू 18 जून. ओके, अब देखो 6 अप्रैल, तो अप्रैल मई भी आएगा उसमें, एंड जून. ओके, अब देखो अप्रैल 6 अप्रैल से हुआ तो 6 भी काउंट होगा उसमें, एंड अप्रैल जाता है आपका 31, अप्रैल 30 जाता है. ठीक है, अप्रैल 30, तो अप्रैल 30 हुआ तो 6 काउंट होगा, 6 to 30 हमें काउंट करना है, तो 6 भी काउंट होगा, सो अप्रैल के हो जाएंगे 25 डेज़. ओके, मई 31 जाता है तो 31 डेज़, जून 18 तक है, लेकिन 18 को उसने वापस कर लिया तो 18 काउंट नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे 17 तक काउंट होता है. ओके, जिस दिन आपने लिया उस दिन का डे काउंट होगा, यानी 6 अप्रैल काउंट होगा, बट जिस दिन आपने वापस किया 18 जून, 18 वाला काउंट नहीं होगा, 17 जून तक काउंट होगा. ठीक है, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज, टोटल डेज 25 प्लस 31 प्लस 17, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 73. नाउ द टाइम इन ईयर, टाइम इक्वल्स टू 73 अपॉन 365 year, because we know that 1 year equals to 365 days. Then 1 day equals to how many year? So 1 day equals to 1 upon 365 days. Okay, 1 upon 365 year, so we have to use unitary law. Now this is the time. Now we have to solve. Simple interest equals to P 5,000, R 8%, T 73 upon 365 into upon 100. Now we have to solve this, and when we have to solve this, and this is equals to 73 5 ja, and 5 10 ja, and this is equals to 80. So simple interest equals to 80. Then the amount equals to principal plus simple interest, and this is equals to 5,080 rupees. This is the amount. Okay, now question number 6th, and the question number 6th, Firoz invested the sum of money at an annual simple interest rate 10%. At the end of 4 years, the amount received by the Firoz is itna. What is 7,700? व्हाट वाज सम ऑफ इन्वेस्टेड, ठीक है। तो सपोज करेंगे लेट सम या प्रिंसिपल इक्वल्स टू एक्स अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन। नाउ रेट इज गिवन अस, रेट इक्वल्स टू 10% per annum, time period given 4 year, and amount given 7,700 rupees. Then we have to find a sum. Okay, we know that simple interest means amount minus principal, so simple interest equals to amount 7,700 minus principal, suppose x, and according to situation simple interest equals to p means principal, x r 10%, t 4 year upon 100. Okay, now we have to solve this question. Solve 10 to 10 cancel out. Now cross multiply 10 into this, तो 700 10 से मल्टीप्लाई हो तो 10 और 10 इंटू एक्स माइनस 10x एंड 4x, 10x इधर को आएगा, देन दिस इज इक्वल टू 14x इक्वल टू 7700, देन x इक्वल टू 7700 अपॉन नॉट डबल 000 अपॉन 14. नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड दैट, and when we have to divide that, 14 5 ja 70, then 14 5 ja 70, 0, then x equals to 5,500 is the rupees 5,500 is the sum of the money. Now question number 10th, simple interest on a certain sum is 16 upon 25 of the sum. Find the time in a year if the rate, percent and the time are equal. Okay, we have to find time and the rate. If the rate, percent and the time are equal, let rate equals to time equals to suppose y. Okay, because given a rate and time are equal, and suppose sum of a money या principal given है x, then the simple interest equals to according to situation 16 upon 25 of the sum, 16 upon 25 of a sum. This is a simple interest. Now we use a formula and find the value. Simple interest यानी 16 upon 25x equals to p यानी principal into rate, y into time, y suppose किया है upon 100. Now we have to solve and cross multiply, x to x cancel out and the cross multiply, then this is equals to 16 into 100 upon 25 equals to y into y, y square, y into y, y square, 25 4 ja 100 and 16 4 ja 64 equals to y square, then taking square root both side, so y equals to plus minus 8, but rate is never be negative, time is never be negative, so y equals to 8. So y means time equals to 8 year and the rate equals to also 8% per annum. Okay, now question number 11th, and a question number 11th, at a certain sum, at a certain rate the simple interest, a certain sum of money become double to itself in a 10 year. In what time will become to triple of itself? Okay, now suppose let principal equals to x. Okay, and according to situation amount become a double, so amount equals to 2x, and when the time period is given 10 year, in a 10 year amount become a 10x, amount become a double, then we have to find in how many years amount become a triple. Okay, now simple interest equals to amount means 2x minus x, so simple interest equals to x. Now we use that formula, simple interest equals to PRT upon 100, so simple interest x p x r नहीं पता हमें तो r लिख लिया अपॉन इंटू t 10 ईयर अपॉन 100. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व. 10 to 10 कैंसिल, x to x कैंसिल, 10 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सो r इक्वल्स टू 10% पर एनम. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द टाइम व्हेन द अमाउंट बिकम ए ट्रिपल. ओके, सो second condition, amount equals to 3x, triple because principal x, then amount equals to triple x, principal x, so simple interest for in that condition amount minus principal equals to 2x. So we have to use this simple interest because we have to find a time when the amount become a triple. So simple interest यानी 2x equals to p x r, value of r 10, t we have to find what is the value of t upon 100. Now x to x cancel, 10 to 10 cancel, so 10 into 2 equals to time, so time equals to 20 year. Thank you.